if you would have a problem in passing over a woman of color, very important constituent for the Democratic Party.
Or candidate be immediate.
Absolutely. But here's the other really, really big factor here is that when you think about what has been financing this campaign, that cash on hand advantage we've been talking about.
Yeah.
Remember, the Biden-Harris campaign committee half owns Kamala Harris. So if it's anybody else under campaign finance laws, that Biden war chest has to go to the Democratic Party, which can spend it to advance the candidacy on the coordinated campaign, get out the vote efforts in states, but it's not the same as that hard candidate money. It doesn't spend as far. Giving the nomination to Kamala Harris would solve that problem because she would inherit all of that war chest to be able to use however she pleases.
Amazing stuff. You can, of course, read about the poll on the terminal and online. Really glad you could come in today. I'll meet you in a week in Milwaukee. The other Gregory Cordy doing the work here on covering this campaign. When you add the numbers from our poll, it does make you wonder about where we really are. Add the money, you'll keep wondering. We'll assemble our panel next for their take on all of this noise after we get up to date on the news. Nancy Lyons joins us with world and national headlines from the Bloomberg 99.1 newsroom in Washington. Hi, Nancy.
Hey, Joe. President Biden says it is time for the party drama to end. In a letter to congressional Democrats, he says the question of whether to move forward has been well aired for over a week now following his poor debate performance, and he says it's time for it to end. He spoke earlier today on MSNBC's Morning Joe and said Donald Trump had a lousy debate as well and showed his true colors.
He's a pathological liar. He lied about Roe. He refused to accept the outcome of the election. He refused to condemn January 6th. And he says, they claim, he spoke with Putin before he invaded. What the hell are we doing?
Biden speaking on MSNBC. His letter was sent from the campaign to lawmakers as they return to Washington after their July 4th recess. Flying in and out of Texas will be tough today as the remnants of Beryl move over the state. It made landfall this morning as a hurricane just east of Matagorda, Texas, packing winds of 80 miles an hour. It's now been downgraded to a tropical storm. The trial of Archico's capital management founder Bill Hwang is wrapping up with closing arguments today. He is charged with market manipulation, racketeering conspiracy, as well as securities fraud and wire fraud. Global news 24 hours a day and whenever you want it with Bloomberg News Now. I'm Nancy Lyons. This is Bloomberg.
Monday, July 6th, David Rubenstein speaks with Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell. Live on the DC Club.
The next policy rate move will be a hike.
What's his outlook for the July 5th?
What everyone agrees on is
Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell.
policy is restrictive and is having the effects that we would hope for.
Monday, July 15th at 9:30 a.m. on Bloomberg 960 and Bloomberg Television. Contact James Lee.
Damn, that client's so fucking annoying. Gets on people's nerves quick. Ugh. Like, shut up, dude. Shut the fuck up. Damn.